Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fold Kia Forte back seats. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off. Clear any items from the rear seats and the trunk area to prevent obstruction. This preparation makes the folding process much smoother and safer for you and your car. You'll want easy access to the seat backs and enough room to maneuver them. Next, locate the seat release levers. These are typically found on the top outer edge of each rear seat back, near the headrests. Pull each lever firmly upwards or outwards, depending on your specific model, to unlatch the seat. You should hear a clear click as the latch disengages. This action releases the seat back, allowing it to move freely. Once unlatched, gently push each seat back forward into the trunk area. Guide them down smoothly, ensuring that the seat belts are not caught or pinched in the folding mechanism. Take a moment to confirm that both seat backs lie completely flat, creating a continuous, extended cargo space from the trunk through to the rear passenger area. This maximizes your storage capacity. Finally, double-check that the folded seats are stable and securely in place, preventing any movement while driving. This expanded cargo area is perfect for transporting larger items that wouldn't fit in the trunk alone. When you're ready to return the seats to their upright position, simply reverse these steps. And speaking of upgrades, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a fantastic way to keep your car's interior or your home spotless. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.